एक zoology is the study of. Correct answer is B. Animals. Though, who is known as the father of biology? Correct answer is B. Aristotle. 3. Who introduced the term Homo sapiens? Correct answer is C. Linnaeus. 4. Operance theory explains the. Correct answer is B. Origin of life. 5. Correct sequence of evolution. Correct answer is C. Mutation, natural selection, evolution. 6. Basic unit of classification is. Correct answer is D. Species. 7. Group of similar organisms capable of interbreeding. Correct answer is C. Species. 8. Taxonomic category between family and species. Correct answer is C. Genus. 9. Animals of a particular region are called. Correct answer is B. Fauna. 10. Which is not a vertebrate. Correct answer is D. Annelida. 11. Invertebrates do not include. Correct answer is C. Reptiles. 12. Pseudopodia are found in. Correct answer is B. Amoeba. 13. Sponge belongs to phylum. Correct answer is B. Porifera. 14. Modern name of Coelenterata. Correct answer is C. Cnidaria. 15. Corals belong to phylum. Correct answer is B. Cnidaria. 16. Host in the life cycle of tapeworm. Correct answer is A. Pig. 17. Leech belongs to phylum. Correct answer is C. Annelida. 18. Cutaneous respiration occurs in. Correct answer is A. Frog. 19. Regeneration is best seen in. Correct answer is A. Earthworm. 20. Malpighian tubules are found in. Correct answer is B. Arthropoda. 21. Bilateral symmetry is found in. Correct answer is C. Arthropoda. 22. Largest animal phylum. Correct answer is B. Arthropoda. 23. Graphian follicles are found in. Correct answer is B. Ovary. 24. First stage of butterfly life cycle. Correct answer is C. Egg. 25. Insects that make webs. Correct answer is C. Spider. 26. Which insect has teeth? Correct answer is D. Grasshopper. 27. Jointed legs are present in. Correct answer is B. Arthropoda. Arthritis, excretory organ of cockroach. Correct answer is C. Malpighian tubules, Unthis, largest animal phylum by species. Correct answer is C. Arthropoda. These, mollusca does not include. Correct answer is C. Scorpion. Ichthys, phylum exclusively marine. Correct answer is C. Echinodermata. Butthis, respiratory system absent in. Correct answer is C. Nematodes. Thanthis, blood passes through heart twice in. Correct answer is B. Frog. Chonthis, two-chambered heart is found in. Correct answer is B. Fish. Panthis, not triploblastic animal. Correct answer is C. Jellyfish. Chattis, animal without bones and eyes. Correct answer is A. Jellyfish. Xanthis, gulping of air is seen in. Correct answer is B. Fish. Arthis, double circulation is absent in. Correct answer is C. Fish. Unthalis, animals with gills. Correct answer is B. Fish. Chalis, warm-blooded animals. Correct answer is D. Birds. Ichthalis. Sex of reptiles is determined by. Correct answer is C. Temperature. Byalis, fertilized egg is laid by. Correct answer is C. Reptiles. Tanthalis, only bird that can fly backwards. Correct answer is C. Hummingbird. Chavalis, smallest bird egg. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Panthalis, ship of the desert. Correct answer is B. Camel. Chialis, heart chambers in mammals. Correct answer is C. 4. Xanthalis, mammals usually have. Correct answer is C. Hair. Arthalis, spines for protection are found in. Correct answer is A. Hedgehog. Unchas, blood goes through heart once in. Correct answer is C. Fish. Pachas, kingdom Animalia includes. Answer is B. Metazoa.